Finding the right fast-pitch softball bat can be frustrating, especially when you just want that perfect swing and feel. Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Rawlings Eclipse Fastpitch Softball Bat. The Rawlings Eclipse Fastpitch Softball Bat caught my attention with its unique extended sweet spot design and affordable price of $85.22. If you want a bat that helps you make solid contact every time, this is worth a serious look. You'll love the extended sweet spot feature because it means you can hit balls cleanly, maximizing your chances of getting a great hit. Plus, the high tack grip and concave end cap improve control while reducing vibration, which is crucial for those long games. With 200 plus units sold just this past month, it's clear a lot of players are finding value here. The lightweight alloy design also means it's easy to swing without sacrificing durability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of mishits and want something that feels good in your hands, this bat delivers. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit heavy during extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're accustomed to swinging heavier bats, this might actually feel like an upgrade. If you're transitioning from a lighter bat, it might take some getting used to, but the payoff in performance is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a player looking to improve your hitting skills without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter bat or are just starting your fast pitch journey. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the Eclipse's weight concerned you, the next bat might be your answer. Product number 2, Easton Ghost Advanced. The Easton Ghost Advanced Fast Pitch Softball Bat, priced at $299.99, I was genuinely surprised by how balanced it feels despite being a 2-piece composite bat. If you want a bat that provides maximum performance with every swing, this is worth a serious look. The double barrel 3 construction is what really stands out. It combines a low compression outer barrel with a lightweight inner barrel, giving you a responsive feel while maximizing power. You'll notice the Sonic Comp Max material enhances durability and performance, meaning this bat is built to last through the season. Plus, the Power Boost soft knob reduces vibration, so your hands won't feel like they've been through a workout after a game. This is especially beneficial for those long tournaments where you might swing dozens of times. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a bat that not only performs well, but feels good with every hit. Now, some users mention that it may be too pricey for a beginner. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about the sport and want to invest in your performance, this bat pays off in the long run. It's definitely an investment, but for those looking to step up their game, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive player looking for top-tier performance and durability. Skip this one if you're just starting out or on a tight budget, but if you can swing it, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that was a solid choice, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a lightweight design. Product number 3. DeMarini 2025 Zenith Fast Pitch Softball Bat. Let's talk about the DeMarini 2025 Zenith Fast Pitch Softball Bat, priced at $179.95. The first thing that caught my eye was its unique half-plus-half construction, which promises a powerful swing. If you want a bat that blends lightweight feel with serious power, this is worth a serious look. The DX1 alloy barrel is built for performance and durability, meaning it can withstand the rigors of the season without a problem. The Big D end cap helps absorb vibration, so you can swing confidently without worrying about stinging your hands. That's crucial during those high-pressure games when the last thing you need is a mishit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a bat that feels great, especially when you're aiming for those line drives. Now, some buyers did mention that the bat is prone to scratches. Here's the thing though, a few aesthetic flaws don't impact its performance. If you're a player who focuses more on how it performs than how it looks, you might find this bat to be a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player looking for a balance of power and control.
Skip this one if you're a beginner who might need more forgetting options. For the price, it offers great value in the lightweight category. If a lightweight bat sounds appealing, the next one will definitely catch your attention.
Product number 4, Louisville Slugger 2025 Quest Fastpitch Softball Bat. The Louisville Slugger 2025 Quest Fastpitch Softball Bat is next on my list, priced at $72.18. I'll be real with you, I was impressed by its ultra-balanced swing weight for such an affordable bat. If you're looking for something that's easy to handle without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. Its one-piece alloy construction improves durability and gives you a solid feel on contact, which is essential when you're aiming for those hard hits. The standard synthetic leather grip enhances control, making it easier to swing with confidence. Plus, the light swing weight means you won't tire out easily during long games. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want a bat that you can swing all game without feeling fatigued, this one checks that box. Now, some users have mentioned that it lacks the power of some pricier models. Here's the thing though, this bat is designed for players who prioritize control over sheer power, making it ideal for those still developing their skills. This is perfect for you if you're a younger player or a beginner looking for an affordable option that still performs well. Skip this one if you're at an advanced level and need that extra power behind your swings. For the price, it's an excellent entry-level bat. Now, if you're looking for something that's a step up, the final bat could be just what you need.
Product number 5, DeMarini 2025 Uprising. We have the DeMarini 2025 Uprising, priced at $112.22. I really liked this bat's one-piece construction, which promises maximum stiffness and bat speed. If you're serious about improving your game, this is worth a serious look. The DX1 alloy barrel used in this bat is designed for durability while providing a great feel at contact. Combined with the Big D end cap, it effectively minimizes vibration, allowing you to swing confidently. You'll appreciate how this helps maintain your focus during critical moments. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a bat that not only hits well, but also feels comfortable in your hands throughout the game. Now, some reviews pointed out it may feel a bit stiff upon first use. Here's the thing though, that stiffness can lead to a more powerful swing once you get accustomed to it, making it a potential game changer for your performance. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player looking to step up your game with a reliable bat. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible feel. For the quality and performance at this price, it's a solid investment. Now that we've run through these top options, let's wrap it all up.
So there you have it, 5 excellent options for fast-pitch softball bats. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Easton Ghost Advanced because it truly offers unmatched performance and comfort, which can make a real difference in your game. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Louisville Slugger 2025 Quest if you're looking for power, as it focuses more on control. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.